Hello everyone. Continuation to the previous session. Yeah, this is a text file and has multiple empty lines. So write a program to remove duplicate lines. Here -n. Okay, we will see what is -n. Enter the file name. Read file name. grep-v cap dollar file name. This output is redirected to the temp file. Now move temp file to $fn echo $fn file has no empty lines. Okay, so and quit. Let's see before that one. It has so many empty lines, right? Chmod +x remove duplicates. Okay, sh remove duplicate. Enter file name. So what is -n? Whenever we use the read command, read variable, so it will waiting at the cursor here. So use -n, it will wait for the input at the end of the line. What is the line name? File name text.txt. Now cat text. See, okay. If statement. The syntax is if test condition, then statement 1, statement 2, and so on. Closing the if statement is fi. So if is opening, fi is closing the if statement. If else, syntax is if test condition, then statement statement statement. Now else, here also statement, closing fi. So here if is executed when the condition is true, then is the keyword. In the if statement there are so many statements may exist. So closing is here. If else means if the test condition is true, then only it will enter into this part, otherwise this part will execute. Nested if. Nested if we can write in two ways. If test condition, then statement, again if test condition, then statements, if closing inner else if test condition, then statements, else statement, fi is closing, fi. Here inner if, this one opening and closing. Here in the else part we have if and else. So this condition is true, this will execute, otherwise this one. If total condition is true, then only it will execute. Then here must be condition must be satisfied, then only this will execute, and otherwise exit. If this condition fails, else part will continue. So this is a one way. Second way is if test condition, then if test condition, then statement, if is closing. Now elif, this is nothing but this else and if test condition, then statements, else statements, closing fi. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, see with examples. Vim test num.sh. Just I am giving one number, it will check whether it is a positive or negative number. Echo -n, enter any number, read n, if bracket space must be there, $n hyphen greater than 0, then echo $n is positive number, else echo $n is negative number. After fi means closing this condition, right? Now chmod +x test num, enter any number, 99, it's a positive, -2, it's a negative. Okay, now one more, even or not, echo fn, enter any number, read an if. Now here expression is there, expr percentage n, sorry $n percentage 2, that must be equal to 0. Then echo $n is even, else echo $n is odd number. F5. Okay, chmod plus X, enter any number. 9, it's odd number. 22, even number, right? Here see, just modified that program. If number equal to 0, then value is equal to 0. Here, if we have multiple if statements, that means if inside if, then again if is in. So this is the one case. If this thing is happen, or this thing is happen, or this thing is happen, so either of three, one is executed, right? So here if, then here elif is one more keyword, then expression. Here also then must be there. Okay, even if it is 0, it's a 0. 44, it's a even, it's a odd number. Okay, now string comparison. Echo $n, enter the first string, read str1, enter the second string, read string2, if statement in double quotes $str1 equal to $str2. Then echo strings are equal, else strings are not equal. F5, chmod plus X, ABC, XY, Z. Okay, strings are not equal. For example, ASDF, ASDF. Here, both equal. See what happen if we remove this double quotes. This, see, ABC, XYZ. Okay, both are equal, no problem. We can give double quote or not. One more program. Check the user. Echo FNN. Enter the username. Read U. username un username. If grep-w dollar username is exist on etc password file, then echo $un is a valid user, else echo $un is not a system, is not a user, right? Then fi chmod plus x check username, for example hr1. Okay, here the entire thing I don't want, whether hr1 is a valid user or not, just I need that one only. I don't want this entire line. So because of this echo, sorry, this grep, now I'm just removing output to /div/null. Okay, 1 second. So hr1 is valid user, abc, it's not a user. Okay, what is /div/null? It's a special file. It is used to write unwanted data or unwanted output. ll here what is c? It's a character file. Whatever you want, /div/null, nothing is displayed. If you remove this one, okay, now same this program only, just modify a little bit. Now user is exists, this user is already in our system. Okay, if user is logged in or not, user must be valid user, then user is in logged in or not. Okay, first we will check if the user is a valid or not. Okay, if then who means how many users are logged in, grep fnw dollar un, here also output will display /div/n, then a user is logged in, else user is not logged in. Okay, here if is open, if is closed, this is one if class. Now here outer if is there, for that else also then echo $un is a not user in our system. So outer if is n here, inner if is n here, wq. Okay, abc This is not the valid user. HR1. HR1 is a valid user but is not logged in. Why? Here who means who, yeah, my means here this one. Okay, for that I supposed to log in as a HR1. Wait, in this video I just logged in. Who am I? HR, who? Now HR1. HR1 is logged in. HR2. HR2 is a valid user but he's not logged in. Okay, thank you.